was his name. After him, nothing would be the same. He blew in from the south. His kiss ended a long and lonely drought. Rain, and strong and cool, dried these tears of a fool. Rain, lips wet and warm, mended what was torn. Rain, ooh. Rain born from mist and gentle breezes I could not resist. And what he liked to do, bring back to life what no one else could renew. Rain, and strong and cool, dried these tears of a fool. Rain, lips wet and warm, mended what was torn. Rain, ooh. The thunder and lightning, restless skies exciting, unashamed I embrace the storm. Rain, and strong and cool, dry these tears of a fool. Rain, lips wet and warm, mended what was torn. Rain, worked his mysteries, finally washed all down.